Hey all, Will Healy here. Happy Workforce Wednesday. I just finished reading this excellent article by Karen Hanna in Plastics, Machinery and Manufacturing magazine. The article was called Treat Workers Well and They'll Stay. Seems kind of obvious, right? But there were many really good manufacturing real-world examples and interviews in this article, and there were three quotes that I really liked. The first one was, "I'm here every day to set a culture and make sure that people are happy and that they're fulfilled and just make it a great place to work. I want to get to know each person, let them know that they're important, that they're valued, and that their work is important, and let them know what's expected of them." And that was from Michael Sinclair, co-owner of Elevate Solutions Group, and they're a manufacturer. The second quote was, "While pay might attract job seekers to a company, management and company culture could be the deciding factors in whether people stay." For companies struggling to land and keep workers, the solution could require a little bit of introspection. People want to work, but people quit managers, as the saying goes. So if you're having trouble retaining people, what kind of leadership program are you running? And that quote was from someone you know, me. And I think I really liked this quote because we talk about how does the culture impact and how does what we decide as management impact whether we retain workers. The third quote was, "What I tell people here at Steinwall is anytime there's a mistake, first of all, we are humans. Each human being on average makes one mistake a day. So we know that we have 155 people. We're going to make 155 mistakes each day. But how are we going to design our organization such that we can catch these mistakes before they impact our customer, before they impact our bottom line?" And that was from Maureen Steinwall, the CEO of Steinwall Inc. And I like these quotes because it's a very much focus on the people and how can we lead our people, not manage our people, and how can we embrace the fact that we're all human, and how do we work together better, and how do we make our places of work better places of work. So I'll link the full article in the comments. I really recommend you read it. It's not a long read, but it's a really valuable one. And until next time, ask yourself, what will I automate next?